to the Whiteout Shorts. In this episode, we've got two journalists racing a plane and a train to the Alps. Who's going to get there first?
We all love skiing and boarding in the Alps, and surely the fastest way to get there is to fly. Well, ski journalist Neil English certainly thinks so, but fellow ski writer Daniel Elkan reckons that door to door, the train is actually faster, and he's challenged Neil to a race. The destination? The popular French resort of Mirabel in the huge Three Valleys. Starting from London at the same time, Neil will fly to Geneva and then take a minibus transfer, while Daniel catches a Eurostar to Paris and then heads to the Alps on a TGV train. The winner's the first person sipping champagne in the hot tub of Fish and Pip Chalet in Mirabel.
Danny boy's letting the train take the strain, so there's no point in me schlepping it all the way to the station, is there? So I've got a nice little cab sorted out.
And he thinks he's going to win. He's not.
Where are you now? Let me know. And I can tell you I'm already at the airport.
You're at the airport.
Where are you? Come on, I want the treat.
We're already through the tunnel.
You're in France.
I'm in France already.
Bastard.
You have a good relax in the airport.
I'm not sure whether to completely trust him, but he said he's pretty much almost in Paris. So he's been ripping through the countryside already. But he has got to change trains. So let's hope that's slow.
Fantastic, this is the taxi rank at Gare du Nord. Just arrived, going to cross to Gare de Lyon. There isn't even a queue.
Not fully checked in yet. I've got to take this sports equipment all the way over to the complete opposite side of the terminal just to check it into oversized baggage. So a bit more schlepping.
The last remaining passengers traveling to Tirana with British Airways on flight number BA2648. Please proceed.
Well, finally we're on the plane. Brilliant. It's nearly 3.5 hours since we left home. We're still in England. I've just seen my bag and my skis get on the plane. This is where you become the tortoise, my friend, and I become the hare. Airborne at 500 miles per hour. We're gonna be in France before you know it. I think that's shaking him up a little bit. Brilliant.
Grabbing his luggage, losing his skis at the one carousel, and then needing to get the transfer. But we're here very relaxed with a salmon risotto.
This is all quite valuable downtime. Valuable for Daniel, that is. He's just constantly moving towards his destination. And now we've got to wait for the skis. Brilliant. Got our man. All for the bloody race. Paul from Three Valleys Transfer reckons that'll probably be about 2 hours. That's about half an hour longer, ironically, than the time we spent in the aircraft. There is the train track over there that Daniel will be on. I'm not certain, but I think it may be that he's due to arrive in Moutier, which we're about 20 clicks from now, and he's meant to get there in about 35 minutes. So it's pretty tight. So glad you couldn't make it. I'm so sorry, matey.
How long had you been in that hot tub? How long had you been in resort when I arrived? Honestly.
Well, I didn't really want you to ask me that because although I looked settled in and relaxed, it was a bit of a bun fight to get in there before you got up the hill. In truth, it was 35 minutes, and that surprised me.